Hey everybody, it's Neil and winter is coming. Isn't that what they said in some TV show? But okay. But here, these are hand warmers. So I'm gonna show you guys what these are and how they work. They are rechargeable, which is cool. And you can see it looks like an egg, even with a yolk in it and everything. Let's see what we got here. So this is it here, user manual. Nicely packaged box. So in here we have our user manual. We have a charging cable. If I can open it, it looks like it's USB-C to USB-C. So, oh, actually, no, it's not. It's USB to USB to USB-C. So it lets you charge them both simultaneously. That's cool. We have a little, this one here is like a rubber band kind of wrist strap, which is good. So if you have it in your pockets or you're giving it to a kid or something, you can have them. And then we have a set of 2 of these, and they're pretty. And you can put the strap, it looks like through right there is where the strap can go. Can you see that little hole? Yeah, those holes there. And charging it is on this side. Okay, and we have plastic covers over the display. There's 1 and 2. Okay, so there we go. So these are what they look like here from this side, and the other side's like that. They kind of sort of magnet together, so you can keep them together in one. And then it looks like to turn it on, we'll just push the button. Oh, this one comes at 92%, this one's at 82%, so we already have some power. So I think we hold it down for a second, and hold this one down for a second as well. And let's just turn this one to level 3, 4. This one, it has 4 levels, so we'll turn this one to level 4, and this one's at level 1. This one here, I already feel warm. I guess I turned it on a couple seconds first. So this one here is getting warm. I think, yeah, the warmness is on the outside, not on this side. It isn't getting warm yet. I'm sure it'll radiate through, but this is coming through from here. And this one's definitely getting warm now too. So now I have 2 warm little pieces. And there, one's at 82%, one's at 91. I'm guessing these will probably last a couple of hours. I don't know if it says exactly how long. Please charge once every 2 months to make sure if you're not using it. So over the summer, make sure you charge it at some point. I'm not sure exactly, it doesn't say how long. It says, just make sure somebody is old enough to be able to use them. Wow, I can feel, what is it? This one here is the hotter one. Yeah, this one here's a level 4, and this one here's a level 1. So this one here, I feel it. It's warm, I can totally hold it. This one here, if I'm trying to put my hand on the back of it, I couldn't probably hold it for too long. It's just hot. And yep, the front side, that side's cool, that side's hot. So it's gonna heat up on the outside, so totally warm, it'll hold your hands. So you can stick these in your pockets and heat them up, and oh my gosh, this video is maybe 2 minutes long and they're already pretty hot. So it heats up in 30 seconds or a minute or something. It really heats up nice and quick. And these are great. And there's the little brand logo on the back. And these are cool. So to turn them on, you just hold it down and then turn them off. Barely used any power, I guess, on these, but I'll hold them down again. And now they're off. And I can just stick them in my pocket and ready to go. So these are awesome. I'll charge them up and I will be ready for the winter. Very cool. These are awesome. Great if you're going skiing or you got kids that are in, especially if they're like in a ski school or something, just stick them in their pockets it'll probably stay warm for a few hours. If you put it on level 1 or something, they can always stick their hands in their pockets and warm up. But great thing to have, totally. Adults, kids, whatever, I'll be using them too. So totally cool. Thumbs up.